girl Brinks. Welcome back to the channel. So I am already cooking, as you guys can probably hear in the background. TK wanted pork chops today. I am doing this chicken recipe that I actually found on Pinterest. No, I found it on Facebook, y'all. Correction, found it on Facebook. So, um, it's basically over rice. I'm going to do a healthier version and do it over vegetables. So it did have rice and then vegetables on top of the rice, and then the chicken, of course. So I got this big bag of fresh broccoli, and then I also have this mixed vegetable medley. So we are going to use both of these. Now it is a cream Parmesan sauce that goes on top of the chicken. For the chicken that I already have on and cooking, the seasonings I used was garlic salt, kicking chicken, black pepper, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, onion salt, seasoning salt, and then onion powder. I also did use the chipotle seasoning, you guys. This is what the chicken is looking like cooking. Those are TK's pork chops cooking. So I'm just letting these pretty much cook down, y'all. I want to try to make this as short a video as possible. For the sauce, you guys are going to need the ingredients. These are optional. I'm going to be using some more spinach. I know I just used spinach in the last recipe. Like I said, y'all, keeping it as healthy as possible. Spinach, some chicken broth. You also need heavy whipping cream, some Parmesan cheese, minced garlic. Also optional, sun-dried tomatoes. I wanted to put some sun-dried tomatoes in this because they said it was optional, and I love tomatoes. And again, we just used tomatoes in the last recipe, but I couldn't pass it up, so I put it in this one as well. And then that is going to completely make up our creamy Parmesan sauce. So yeah, y'all, the chicken is on and cooking. We are going to let that do its thing, and then I am going to go ahead and finish cleaning up, and I will be back. So we're gonna try to make this as short video as possible, y'all. Like I said, because I am cleaning. TK is on spring break this week. I have another video coming for you guys of where his party is going to be this year, and then you guys will see this place again on his actual party. So stay tuned for that video, because I know it's been a while since I actually posted a vlog with him included, but he is finally in a vlog included and was happy to be in it this time. So stay tuned for that, you guys. But I will be back to do more of this cooking video. All right, guys, so I put my mixed veggies on are cooking right now. The seasonings that I used for those was this black pepper, seasoning salt, some onion salt, roasted garlic and herb. Well, that's the new garlic powder. Some garlic salt and some garlic powder. And I did throw in a little bit of red pepper flakes. These are my last 3 pieces of chicken that I have just been done cooking. I am about to take out my cutting board and chop these up. So, and we're just going to proceed to start cutting this chicken. Alright, guys, so now we are about to make our sauce. We have 2 tablespoons of butter already in our skillet. We have our vegetables already cooking. I'm gonna give them a quick stir. Alright, so butter is already all over the skillet. as y'all can see. And then we are going to take some garlic. Alright, saute that garlic until you smell it. Y'all know the drill. It is about this brand of heavy whipping. I do not like it. And it's not old until the May. But it's like freaking yogurt. Ugh. The chicken, bro. Right. Got some dried tomatoes. Red pepper flakes. Some spice. Got some seasoning salt for some spice. Some regular red pepper for some spice. Some butter. Some salt. Plenty salt. A little bit of lemon. Right. Alright, y'all, I'll be back for the final result. Alright, y'all, well, this is the final result. Y'all are pretty much seeing the sauce splattered all over. We got the chicken, we have the cheese shredded over it, and then the vegetables. The sauce is like really flavorful and good. It's bomb. It tastes just like an Alfredo without like the pasta on it. And then we have our toppings all together in one. So like this is really good, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna be this good, but it is really, really good. So if y'all try it, let me know. But I think it's a hit. I would definitely be cooking it again. Now the cheese did not melt down as much as I wanted it to. That's my only thing with Parmesan. Parmesan never really fully melts down as much as it should. But yeah, that's kind of where we are right now, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, this was the final result. Until next time, you guys, I will see y'all. Bye.